Sitting right on the sands of Cancun's hotel zone, Hotel Riu Caribe has quietly become one of those resorts that travelers keep coming back to year after year. After a full renovation that wrapped up in 2023, this four-star all-inclusive feels almost like a brand new property, with brighter rooms, modernized common areas, and a refreshed sense of energy throughout. It is owned and operated by RIU Hotels and Resorts, a name that vacationers across the Caribbean and beyond know well for their reliable beachfront getaways. Located on Boulevard Cucucan at Kilometer 5. The hotel puts guests within easy reach of both the calmer beaches near downtown and the livelier stretches further into the zone. For anyone considering a trip, here is a deep dive into what this resort actually delivers once you walk through those lobby doors. Let's start with where you'll be laying your head each night, because the rooms are one of the biggest beneficiaries of the recent refurbishment. The standard double room comes in at a comfortable 31 square meters and sleeps up to 3 guests, which makes it a solid pick for couples or small families who don't need a massive spread. You can choose between one king-size bed or 2 smaller double beds, and every room comes with a balcony or terrace so you can step outside with your morning coffee. Inside, the rooms are loaded with the kind of practical touches travelers appreciate, including air conditioning, a ceiling fan for that extra breeze, a minibar that gets restocked, and even drink dispensers with liquor right in the room. You also get satellite television, an in-room safe for your valuables, free Wi-Fi throughout, and a bathroom with a shower and hairdryer. If you want to step things up a bit, the double room with sea view offers all those same amenities but adds the kind of ocean panorama that makes you stop and stare each morning. For couples looking for something truly special, there's also a double room with sea view and private pool, which is reserved for adults only and gives you your very own pool right on the terrace. That option is the closest thing to a romantic hideaway you'll find on the property. At the top of the room selection sits the suite with sea view, doubling the space to 62 square meters and adding a separate lounge area with a sofa, plus a second television so nobody has to fight over the remote. Across all categories, the post-renovation look is bright, clean, and modern, which guests on Booking and TripAdvisor have repeatedly called out as a major upgrade from years past. It's the kind of room that doesn't try to impress with gimmicks, just comfort that works. Food is where an all-inclusive really has to deliver, and Riu Caribe spreads a pretty wide table for its guests. The heart of the dining operation is the main buffet restaurant, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with international choices, live cooking stations, and themed dinners that rotate throughout the week. It's the kind of place where you can grab pancakes one morning, build a custom pasta dish the next afternoon, and end the day with carved meats or fresh seafood, depending on the night's theme. For something more refined, Kulinarium offers gourmet à la carte dining in the evenings, and reservations are recommended since spots tend to fill up quickly. Tiki Taco brings the Mexican flavors you came to Cancun for, serving up tacos and traditional dishes in a casual setting that feels like a small taqueria you'd stumble into on a back street. Asian cuisine gets its moment at Shangri-la, another à la carte spot that handles dinner duties, while Margarita serves as the steakhouse and grill, perfectly placed near the pool and beach for a more relaxed evening meal. During the day, Pepe's food keeps everyone happy with poolside grill items and snacks, so you never have to wander far from your lounger when hunger hits. And for the night owls or jet-lagged arrivals, the snack bar and sports bar run 24 hours, making sure a sandwich and a cold drink are always within reach. Drinks flow freely across multiple bars too, from the lobby bar where many guests start their evening to the pool bars and sports bar that keep the party rolling. Some guests have mentioned that getting reservations at the specialty restaurants can be tricky during peak weeks, so it's smart to plan your week early. Still, the variety is genuinely strong for a property in this price range, and few people leave hungry or thirsty. Water is the whole reason people come to Cancun, and Riu Caribe makes sure you get plenty of it. The hotel has 3 outdoor swimming pools, including an activities pool where the entertainment team often runs games and an aqua fitness session, and a quiet pool for those who'd rather read a book without splash interruptions. There's also a dedicated children's pool with slides that keeps the youngest guests entertained for hours. The sun terrace is lined with loungers and parasols, though as several reviewers honestly point out, the most popular spots near the main pool can fill up early, so the unofficial sport of Dawn Patrol lounger claiming is alive and well here. Just beyond the pool deck, the hotel offers direct beach access along a beautiful stretch of the Cancun Hotel Zone near Playa Langosta. The beach itself is a real highlight, with that famously turquoise water and powdery sand that put Cancun on the map in the first place. Free sun loungers are set up right on the sand, so you can spend the entire day moving between the surf and a comfortable spot in the shade. Water sports are also part of the deal, with options like kayaking, snorkeling gear, and pedal boats available depending on weather and sea conditions. The location near the start of the hotel zone tends to give calmer waters compared to spots further south, which makes swimming and paddling much more pleasant for families and casual swimmers. Sunsets here looking out across the bay are the kind of thing that makes people forget about checking their phones for a while. For guests who like to stay active rather than melt into a lounger all week, there is plenty going on. The fitness center is well equipped with cardio machines and weights so you can keep up your routine even on vacation, though most guests find the resort itself does enough walking for them. Riu Fit group activities run throughout the week, including aquagym in the pool, stretching sessions, and other fitness classes that anyone can drop into. Beachside, the water sports lineup gives you a chance to try kayaking or pedal boats, and snorkeling is great for getting a peek at the marine life just off the coast. There's a daytime entertainment program for adults that mixes games, dance lessons, and lighter activities that keep the social energy up. Evenings shift gears with shows and live music that the entertainment team puts real effort into, drawing big crowds in the theater area most nights. Several reviewers have called out how hard the entertainment staff works, with shows ranging from dance performances to themed productions that change throughout the week. Some guests do mention that the music can run loud enough to be heard from certain rooms until around 11 at night, which is worth knowing if you're an early sleeper. For those who want to explore beyond the resort, bicycle rental is available, giving you an easy way to cruise the boulevard. Between the organized programming and the freedom to do your own thing, Riu Caribe strikes a nice balance for different vacation styles. When it's time to slow things down, the Renova Spa offers a quiet escape from the energy of the pool deck. Treatments here include a variety of massages and beauty services, and while these come with an extra charge on top of your all-inclusive package, the experiences are typically worth it for anyone craving a real reset. The spa area also includes a sauna and a whirlpool bath, which together make for a relaxing afternoon when you want to be pampered without leaving the resort. The atmosphere inside is calm and professional, with therapists who know how to deliver the kind of treatments that leave you genuinely loosened up. While the wellness offering isn't as deep as you'd find at a dedicated spa resort, it covers the basics nicely and pairs well with the more active programming on the main grounds. Couples often book treatments together as part of a special evening, and the spa staff are generally praised for being attentive without being pushy about add-ons. Combined with the gym and the gentler Riu Fit classes, the wellness side of Riu Caribe lets you tailor the trip to whatever pace feels right. Whether you want to sweat it out, stretch it out, or simply float in a whirlpool with your eyes closed, the tools are there. It's a quieter side of the resort that some guests skip entirely, but those who explore it usually rave about it. Families are welcomed at Riu Caribe, and the resort puts real thought into keeping younger guests entertained. The RiuLand Kids Club runs a daily activities program with games, crafts, and supervised fun, giving parents a chance to slip away for a long lunch or a quiet hour by the pool. The children's pool with slides is a huge hit, and there's also a playground for the little ones who want to burn off energy in the fresh air. Family rooms accommodate up to 3 guests comfortably, and the relaxed beach setting means kids can splash safely under watchful eyes. The all-inclusive setup also takes the stress out of constantly buying snacks and drinks for the family, which any parent will appreciate. Older kids and teens often find their groove with the water sports, the pool games, and the evening shows, which are family-friendly enough that nobody feels excluded. The entertainment team typically does a good job of pulling kids into activities without forcing it, which keeps the whole experience low pressure. Parents can also rent bikes and take family rides along the boulevard, exploring a bit of Cancun together at an easy pace. The combination of safe beach access, kid-focused programming, and laid-back vibes makes Riu Caribe a solid pick for multi-generational trips too. Location-wise, Riu Caribe is in a fantastic spot for exploring the best of Cancun without needing to travel far. Playa Langosta is just 300 meters away and Playa Tortugas sits about 1.5 kilometers down the coast, giving you easy options for changing up your beach scenery. The Cancun Convention Center is around 3.5 kilometers from the hotel, while the Puerto Cancun Marina Town Center sits about 4 kilometers away with shops, restaurants, and a marina vibe. Downtown Cancun, often called El Centro, is about 6 kilometers away and offers a more local taste of the city, including markets, taquerias, and shops that feel less touristy. Shopping fans will love that La Isla Shopping Village is about 6.5 kilometers down the boulevard, while history buffs can head to the Museo Maya de Cancun about 11 kilometers away, or the El Rey Archaeological Zone roughly 14 kilometers from the hotel. For anyone planning a day trip to Isla Mujeres, the Puerto Juarez ferry terminal is just 5 kilometers away. The Cancun International Airport sits about 22 kilometers from the hotel, which is a manageable drive for arrivals and departures. Whether you want shopping, ancient ruins, or simply a different stretch of beach, almost everything is within a short ride. Taken as a whole, Hotel Riu Caribe delivers a strong, all-inclusive experience that punches above its 4-star classification, especially after the 2023 renovation. Booking gives it an 8.7 from over 1,800 reviewers, TripAdvisor scores it at 4.5 from nearly 8,000 guests, and Expedia rates it a 9.0 from almost 2,000 travelers, so the consensus is genuinely positive across the board. Cleanliness, comfort, and location all score above 9 on Booking, which lines up with the renovation buzz and the prime beachfront spot. Guests consistently praise the friendly staff, the variety of dining, and the lively atmosphere that keeps the days full without ever feeling forced. The weaker points are honest ones rather than deal breakers. Some travelers mention that the resort can feel busy, especially around the main pool where sunbeds disappear fast in peak season, and a few have noted that the buffet can get a little repetitive after a week. Noise from the nightly shows occasionally drifts into rooms until late evening, which light sleepers should keep in mind when picking a room location. Reservations at the a la carte restaurants can also be competitive during busy weeks. None of these issues are unusual for a large all-inclusive, and most guests still leave very happy. What truly makes Riu Caribe stand out is the combination of a freshly renovated property, a beachfront location near the calmer Playa Langosta, and an all-inclusive setup that includes liquor dispensers right in the rooms and a 24-hour snack bar for those late-night cravings. The adults-only swim-up rooms with private pools are a rare touch in this price bracket, giving couples a premium feel without the premium resort price tag. RIU's reputation for consistency and the brand's strong entertainment programming also give the property a polished, professional feel that less experienced operators struggle to match. For business travelers or small group organizers, the hotel does offer a meeting room for small-scale events and conferences, which can be useful for incentive trips or modest corporate gatherings. It's not a full convention venue, but it works well for the size of groups Riu Caribe typically hosts, and the proximity to the actual Cancun Convention Center just a few kilometers away fills in any larger needs. Finally, the guest experience moments that show up again and again in reviews are the human touches. Bartenders like the often-mentioned Beto get called out by name for making vacations feel personal, and the entertainment staff regularly earn praise for their energy and effort. The buffet team, the housekeeping crew, and the front desk staff repeatedly come up as friendly and helpful, even during busy check-in periods. Those little moments of warmth, paired with the upgraded rooms and the gorgeous Caribbean setting, are what turn first-time visitors into regulars. For travelers wanting a reliable, lively, and freshly polished slice of Cancun, Hotel Riu Caribe earns its place near the top of the shortlist. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.